So, hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are ready to break down the practice challenge from our last lesson. If you remember, the task was to write a program that asks the user to guess a hidden number, let's say 7. The program needs to keep asking until the user gets it right. Let's look at why the while loop is the perfect candidate here. The logical approach. Think about it. Do we know how many attempts the user will take? Maybe they are lucky and guess it on the first try, or maybe it takes them 10 attempts. Since we don't have a fixed count, the for loop feels a bit clunky here. The while loop, however, is flexible. It just asks, has the user guessed correctly yet? If not, it repeats. The code breakdown. So this is the code. Let me give the demo for it. So first of all, let me make a new file here. EG practice test.cpp. Inside the file, hash include iostream int main. No, using namespace std int main int secret is equal to 7 int secret is equal to 7 int guess cout welcome, I have a number in my mind from 1 to 10, can you guess it? Welcome, I have a number in my mind from 1 to 10, can you guess it? So this is the output which will be shown on the terminal. Cout end l. It's not cout end l, it's simply end l. You have to put this here, extraction operator. Then the next line will be, we'll start the loop. True means this loop will run forever until we explicitly tell it to break. So while true, cout, enter your guess, colon space. Now the decision time. Is the guess correct? After that, of course, you have to take it inside cin, the variable called secret. Okay, this is the guess. Secret we have initialized. So this is the guess variable. If guess is equal to secret, This is inside the same loop. If guess is equal to secret, put it in parenthesis, see out, fantastic. You have guessed right. And don't forget to give endl here. See out, endl, semicolon. So after this, what we have to do, break. After this is, it comes out to be true, the if condition. You have to break the loop here, the while loop. Break the while loop here, while true. Otherwise, it will go into an infinite loop. So this is very important to break the loop here. If guess is equal to secret, then break. Else, if they are wrong, then go to else. If they are wrong, then see out. Sorry, this is not the correct guess. Okay, so again give endl here, end of line, close the brace of if, close this brace of while. So this is the condition for while true. So since we are giving while true, which is an infinite loop, so we have to put a break condition here so that the loop does not go infinite. Whenever the condition is matched, put a break. Else, sorry, this is not the correct guess. And it will go back to the loop, to the condition. So this is it. And give here return 0 for main. Now compile and run this. So as we can see, it is getting compiled and run. And it is asking, sorry, this is not the correct guess. Sorry, this is not the correct guess. This is going in infinite loop. So can you guess why this is going in the infinite loop? So let me change this loop. We'll delete this and let me write the correct loop here. So some changes I'll do. Secret is equal to 7 and int guess is equal to 0. Initialize guess with 0. Guess the number between 1 and 10. Can you guess it? This we are giving in C out. And after this comes the loop. The condition is checked before the loop runs. While secret is not equal to guess, we'll have to repeat it. That means when secret is not equal to guess, C in guess means keep taking the user input. Keep taking the user input and inside this only write if guess is not equal to secret, see out wrong, try again. Means just give see out here, try again. And after this while loop, when this while loop ends, after this we'll give see out correct guess. So this is the fallback condition. Means this is in the sequence after the loop ends. This is not inside the loop. Correct guess. This return 0 is for the main. Okay. So this is our code. Let me run this. Okay, it's taking the same old one. Let me change the file here. So as we can see, the condition while true always goes in an infinite loop. The break is not working. So I have changed the code a little. See out, I will just take secret is equal to 7. So 7 is the matching number. Guess is initialize it from 0. See out, I am thinking of a number between 1 and 10. So this will be shown on console and it is asking the number from the user. So while guess is not equal to secret. So instead of while true, we have to give this condition here. Guess is not equal to secret. Then continue the loop. Enter your guess. See in guess. Continue the guess. If guess is not equal to secret, then that's not it. Try again. And also inside the if condition, we inside this we have to give try again. That's not the guess. Try again. Guess is not equal to secret, so that's not the guess. Try again and again go to the top of the loop because the condition is true. So how the loop will be terminated? When the user enters 7. When the user enters 7, the guess will become equal to the secret and secret code, hidden code, and the condition will hold true. And when this condition will hold false and it will get out of the loop. And at last we have to print C out. Amazing, you guessed it. So I have compiled and run this, executed this program. So I enter your guess 1. I am thinking of a number between 1 and 10. Enter your guess 1. That's not it. Try again. Enter your guess 2. That's not it. Try again. Enter your guess 3. That's not it. Try again. Enter your guess 4. That's not it. Try again. Enter your guess 7 and enter and see. Amazing, you guessed it. So our program is running correctly.